Morning guys, David Estep here, Excel Construction Group. We're out here in beautiful Lake Country. It's a little neighborhood that got blasted with hail right off Eagle Mountain Lake in Fort Worth, Texas. We're out here replacing this roof, putting some good stuff on. The reason for the video today is actually one of my most common questions I get asked from customers, friends, anybody else. Okay, my roof got hit with hail. I see these marks on it. What does that mean? What issues am I gonna have? What is that actual damage to the shingle? Is it just cosmetic? So what I've done, I've taken some samples of some pretty gnarly hail hits from this roof, from the back facing slope, and circled the impacts with some chalk here. You can see it looks pretty bad on the outside, but functionally, if you actually flip it over, you can see that it fractured the matting here. I mean, at this point, these shingles are no longer watertight. These are pretty big hail hits. As you can see, they all have fractured matting, but even the smaller stuff, even this is one that maybe I wouldn't even circle if I was inspecting the roof because there's so much bigger stuff. But even the smaller stuff, if we flip it over, it's fractured the matting. So don't let an insurance adjuster tell you that the hail didn't affect the integrity of your roof or the watertight integrity of your roof, or that it's strictly cosmetic. Chances are it's not. So enjoy your day, guys. Hope you guys like the video, and yeah, have a good one.